I want to show you the difference between high quality spray bottles and roller bottles for your essential oil blends, your do-it-yourself cleaners, etc. I do a lot of that myself, and these are not a good choice. I bought this set, Kamota, on the internet a while back, and it didn't occur to me at the time, but the spray mechanisms, the tops on these bottles, I buy the 16 ounce, but 8 ounce, it's the same thing, it's just a shorter tube. So I assume it would be the same with that. Anyway, the tops on this brand, Kamota, just began failing after a few months of light use, and I didn't catch on, and I went ahead, I went and replaced them with this other brand, Massugar, same kind of quality issues. And this set was, it seemed like I got a lot for my money, which is true, but the problem is that what I got was poor quality, right out of the box, unusable, and or failing after just a few weeks of light use. Let's talk about the spray bottle. First of all, the spray top on this, and these are two brands, but there are many other brands. They may be made in the same factory, for all I know, or maybe two factories in China. But if you notice, the ones like this that have a very angular shape, sharp edges, in other words, you notice the trigger here. Let's see if you can see this. It's it too is sharp edge. Not that it will cut you, but it's just not comfortable on the fingers, and even the twist mechanism to select on, off, stream versus spray. Again, just very pointy, angular. It's not comfortable to use. But more importantly than that, underneath, if you look at that white mechanism there, that's the moving part on the sprayer, and it's small, it's not durable, it doesn't work particularly well when it's working, and it's going to break, as compared to this one, for example. First of all, these are ones that I've had for a long time. They have not broken, have not failed, they've outlasted these other brands. And again, there's probably, I don't know how many brands that maybe have this same top. They may be made in the same factory, as I said. But what you're looking for is this rounded top, kind of a rounded trigger. That's much more comfortable if you're doing a lot of spraying. But even more importantly than that is this mechanism underneath. Look at that. There's just absolutely no comparison between this. This is much more durable, much smoother than the other one. So I'll spray it, and you see I got a nice big spray. That's the stream, but you can mist it too. Now here's one of the poor quality ones. I'm going to spray. By the way, here, pay attention to the trigger, because I suspect something is going to happen here. I spray, that's on the spray rather than the stream, but the trigger is stuck halfway, and there. That's what I have to do to unstick it, get it unstuck. And I'll spray again. Same thing happens. Whoops. And glad I didn't break the bottle. And again, this mechanism here is failing after a few weeks of very light use, and it's probably going to fail altogether in the near future, and it's not fun to use because it's uncomfortable and I have to unstick it every time. As far as the roller bottles, this is one, by the way, the companies, I don't think I said this, the companies that I found to have high quality, there are two, and again there may be many more. One is called Cornucopia and the other is called Viviplex. They both seem to have the same quality, this type. And if you're on Amazon and you're looking, you can actually usually see, because that mechanism is so big, you'll see it in the pictures, and that's what you're looking for on the sprayers. As far as the rollers, well, here's one that's got a black plastic cap, and it untwists and I can tighten it down as one would hope. Here's the ones by Massugar or Massugar or whatever. They're gold, and you can see that, whoops, they don't screw down all the way. 1 out of 3 does, but the other ones do not. And that means these are going to end up in the garbage and landfill. I mean, I'm going to put them in the recycle bin, but they may not be recyclable, and they might get pulled out. Same thing with this stuff that's going to break or come broken. By the way, there's supposed to be 3 of these gold caps in the box. No, I'm sorry, it's supposed to be 4, but there were only 3. When I read reviews of these products, I hear other people saying the same kind of thing, missing parts and broken parts. The smaller spray bottles, this is a 2 ounce. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know about the durability on it, and I don't know how to evaluate that other than using it. But I do see reviews saying that these other brands, that these spray mechanisms also fail after a short period of time. So I hope that's helpful to you in the future. I'm going to spend a little more money to get a quality product, and I'll be happier, I'll be more comfortable using it, and the planet will be happy too, our planet, Mother Earth, because there'll be a lot less plastic waste, and that's important. Okay, take care, be well.